Guys, I'm so sad. I can't find any of my fidgets. Well, I'm trying to look for them, but like, seriously, they're nowhere. I can't find them. Like, if I look in my fidget drawer, they're not there. Well, let's look around my room. Well, I guess we can. We'll just go ahead and close the door. Wait, there's my tangle on the doorknob. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm so happy. Let's put this in the pile. Wait, there's my monkey noodle. Yay, on my lamp. Okay, putting it in the pile. Anything at my Legos. Wait, my Nito. I've been looking for this. I love my Nito. Well, let's go over here. By my snake's cage. Hey, is that my wacky track? I am so happy. Love my wacky track too. Let's just put that right there. Well, how many more do I find? How many more do I have to find? I think 2. Yeah, I'm looking for my Dimple and Poppet. My cactus Poppet. I love this, you know. Y'all know this is my favorite. Okay, I really love my Dimple too. So if I could just find it. Any of my stuffed animal bits? My Dimple. Yes, I got all the fidgets. Thank you for finding my fidgets with me. Well, see ya.